Carrying just 1 liter of water incorrectly adds 30% more impact force to every single step, destroying your quads before mile 20. Physics dictates that a bouncing vest multiplies the eccentric load on your legs. If your 2-liter bladder sits low and loose, that 2 kilograms weight hits you with up to 6 kilograms of force on downhills due to momentum. We need to secure the load high and tight to your center of mass. A vest shouldn't feel like a backpack. It must feel like a second skin. But here is the mistake that costs even veterans hours: fear packing. You bury your calories under your mandatory rain jacket because you're scared of getting cold. If you can't reach food while running at 6:00/km, you won't eat it. Shift 60% of your weight to the front cockpit. Use 2 500 milliliters soft flasks to counterbalance the rear gear. Your front pockets are for 3 hours of fuel, roughly 900 calories, and salt tabs. Do not put your phone here. It causes rib bruising. For the back, use the inverted pyramid. Heavy mandatory gear, like a 200G headlamp and backup water, sits high against the neck. Stuff your 150G rain shell into the bottom void to act as a lumbar shock absorber. But a perfect pack job at the start line fails by mile 40 because of volume loss. As you consume water, the vest loosens, turning into a cheese grater for your skin. You must tighten the side cinches every time you drain a flask. 4 aid stations, organized for the dump and grab. If you have to take the vest off to resupply, you have failed the setup. Pack high, cinch often, and never take it off.